Ayubowan, Vanakkam, Assalamu Alaikum. For those who don't know me, I'm Adish Dharmakirti, the Charter President of the Rotary Club of NSBM. And Janit Mali, thank you so much for extending me this opportunity to speak a few words on a day that we celebrate a new beginning, which started long ago as a canteen discussion in the Nugegore NSBM facility in our basement between myself and my good old friend Siddiq Iqbal. Starting from there, after submitting many proposals, around 3 proposals, and continuously failing, and then finally succeeding in 2013, we chartered the Rotary Club of NSBM, creating a platform for all of you guys to have fun, do good to the society. And to be honest, there's no pleasure on this earth that can be matched with the pleasure that I see, the pleasure that I feel right now as a charter president standing right in front of you. To see where the club has gone by now, by today. And that's not only because of the charter president or charter board of members or anyone who was in my charter year, but it's purely because of your effort. For the effort that was rendered by all my successors, all their team members, all their members, everyone who followed the journey of NSBM up to now. And right now, Janit Mali, the baton is with you. I'm sure you have the capabilities to take this club to the greatest extent and then make sure that it goes and it grows from strength to strength, as it always has been. And don't worry, we are always there to guide you. We are always there to support you. We are just one message away. I wish I could say one call away I could meet you, but then again, unfortunately, due to my work commitments, I'm not in the country anymore, for now at least. But I'm always one call away, one text away, anytime you need me or any of us in my charter board. And I'm sure it's the same for you guys with my successors as well. They'll always help you to grow bigger and better and to take this club to greater extent. My only wish for you guys is to achieve the very best in your professional life and also in your road track career, because road track will be helpful to be a better human. But on the other side, professional life matters a lot. So don't miss out your work. Make sure that you do your work very well as well. Make sure you're balanced so that you will be able to achieve great things in life. And in the end of the day, I hope you guys and many presidents to come in years to come will give me the pleasure of seeing the Rotary Club of NSBM in my deathbed as well. As a club that's growing strength to strength, doing great work in the society and making a real change in the society. So I wish you guys all the very best. Never give up on any of your dreams. Keep fighting. Keep achieving. All the very best.
Hey everyone, we have come a very long way since the beginning, and personally for me, Rotary Club of NSBM has been the biggest learning platform of my life. And I'm very proud and happy to see where the club is today. So I'm going to take this moment to thank all our charter members for taking this initiative within NSBM, and all the members who has put their best to bring the club to where it is today. And a special thank goes to our charter lecturer in charge, Miss Natasha, who has given her best throughout many years for many presidents, many board of directors, and so many number of members. So thank you all of you guys for giving your best and for bringing the club to where it is today. So here's for many more great years, guys.
Hello everyone, I am Nadani and I'm pleased to be talking to you, at least in the form of a video, given the constraints we have as part of the pandemic situation in the country. So I served as the secretary of the Rotary Club of NSBM during the charter year as well as in the year following the charter year, and it was such a pleasant experience. At the same time, I think we had to face some challenges that you might not have to face right now, because we worked, it was a charter year, and then it was, for us, it was more about, we had certain specific challenges to meet, like attracting new members to the club and creating awareness of the club in NSBM and among students at NSBM. And then there were so many official procedures that we had to follow in order to set up the club as well. And also so many people at that time, so many students didn't really know about Rotaract. To be very honest, even I didn't know about Rotaract. Students who were a part of Interact during their schooling years, they knew what Rotaract was, and it was easier for us to kind of explain the whole purpose of the club to them. But then for the other students, we really had to kind of explain the purpose of the club and the 4 avenues of Rotaract and how you can gain a holistic experience through the club. So actually it was a really good experience, especially because we were part of starting the club, and we are really proud of where the club is now, because it's one of the leading clubs in Colombo and in Sri Lanka both, and it has attracted a vast variety of members from so many disciplines, from within NSBM itself. And what I have to tell you as a past member of Rotaract is that it's a club, it's an environment where you can gain a holistic experience. On one hand, you're basically working towards towards growing an organization as part of club service and so on. And then on the other hand, you're also developing partnerships with international organizations, and you're getting to be a part of internationally relevant and commended projects. And another part of the club is that you get to develop your own self, you get to develop your leadership skills and how you interact with other people, so much about fellowship. And last but not the least, you get to become a part of a team that works towards empowering other groups of people, so that's under community service. So it is an environment where you can gain a holistic experience, and I know it's going to be a memorable experience in that regard, because it's an experience that's both beneficial for you as well as beneficial for so many other groups of people. So I wish you all the very best, and I hope you have a really good experience at the club. And I'm really happy if you're listening to this video now, and if you're already a part of this club, I'm really happy that you made that choice. All the very best.